Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In today's episode, we will be learning how to bend text in Canva. To bend text in Canva, launch open the Canva application and then open up an existing design or create a new one. Now go ahead and add a text to your design first. Click on the text button at the bottom of the screen and then select a heading, a subheading, or a title bit of a body text depending on your need. After selecting one of these options, type down your text in the text box. After typing down your text, go ahead and select your text layer and swipe down from the options provided at the bottom and tap on Effects. From the Effects tab, select Shape and click on Curve. This will immediately curve your text. Now tap on the curve button one more time to bring out the editing options. If you drag the slider towards the left to bend your text upwards, whereas if you drag it along the right side, you will be able to bend the text downwards. Now once you are done, you can adjust your bended text by dragging it along the screen, placing it on a desired area. Now you can also further adjust and edit the color of your text, use highlights on it to match your design. That is how you easily bend a text on one of your projects using Canva. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.